Hello friends, welcome to Right Clicks with Saravana. This week the topic is perception is reality. Many a times when an employee works very hard, very sincere in his works, but the boss doesn't recognize his efforts. Or take a case of a politician who is really working very hard, doing a lot of good things for the people, but the people don't somehow recognize it and don't vote for him in the next election. So just think of that. It gives you a lot of frustrations when others don't look at you as you are, as you intend to do. That leads to a lot of frustration. Friends, it's a fact that people are not rewarded purely on performance or merit. Because nobody has got the patience to look into the details of your performance objectively. It's always a subjective opinion people form, and that opinion is generally on your general perception. So friends, it is very important to understand the difference between the perception and the performance. Because many a times good performance, bad perception leads to severe frustration. One of my earlier videos, I spoke about the difference between the perception and the performance. It's basically performance plus something is equal to perception, and that in that something there are many elements which includes your manners, how well mannered you are, your mannerisms, and the second one is your communication, how you are projecting yourself, how you are communicating your good works to others. So these things matter a lot. Why the performance management is important? Friends, nobody is going to beat your own drums. You need to do it on your own. Okay, you need to project your USPs. You need to project your own image. You take any conflict situations, the perceptions are much more important than the real facts. And in case of business, the brand perception is very crucial. If a brand perception is lost, then the customers won't buy that product. Same is the case with politicians. Lot of good works, but he doesn't have a good image or good perception, then people are not going to vote for him, right? So friends, right perception is a significant element for effective leadership. And how to build that right perception? The most important one is to observe and be aware of how your behaviors are impacting others. And the second one is looking for a very effective feedback, means ability and the courage to hear the candid comments without reacting, hearing the comments with the purpose of improvement. And the third one is, based on the feedback, changing your behaviors. Fourth one is promote yourself and up your visibility. Fifth one is brand yourself based on your own USPs, unique selling points. Whatever unique selling points you have which are really specific to your personality, you need to really brand it in such a way, and that is possible only with consistency, only with constant practice, only by having consistency in your behavior you can brand yourself. So friends, the takeaways from this session: just performance is not adequate. Of course performance is important, but that alone is not adequate. It's perceived performance is what is important. So perceived performance is nothing but perception. So friends, I do strongly believe that perception is the reality. So we need to understand this fact, and we need to really work on to have a right perception also, and because that's a significant element in leadership. So friends, that's all in this session on perception as a reality. I hope you must have liked this video. If so, you may subscribe to this channel. Till I see you next week. Bye bye.